kular hakani kesni. Bangan tray hok yaki kamjong. Hok do.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am kathong manlong kita kinong siat hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong e kathong ko chongpi. Ke admission club play bani ai ki course ki bapel kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Unang ilam ka BGP ubday ru emeli ka pentor umkra constituency uba el heng. Hakash pautrik jeliu aja pun riu ulai tu momentari katanat ka kot kakhya jong Sorkar Pedeng UJP Nanda. Ula pentikana baya ka Jingtyrwa ban penpanai ka Neigrihms kom ke Institute of National Importance ne on sa Bishar benya da ka Sorkar Pedeng. Uba el hek luang baula budin ya kanikaman lakham katu ka nepor kenthop yu menteri ka kot kakhya abarim. Bat ongru badangshan ula pensngawru ya kanikaman ha UJP Nanda ha ka jingwan yu kejat jong u dangshan hanong ba silong.
Regarding the INI of the Neigrihms Hospital, this is not the first time. When Mansukh Mandavia, when he was health minister, that time also I have written to him, and also he had acknowledged me very clearly that is under the considerations. So recently, when the Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Shri J.P. Naddaji, came to Shillong to inaugurate the RE Hospital, so I got an opportunity to meet him, and also got a letter given by all the Neigrihms Employees Associations to recognize the Neigrihms Hospital as the INI, the Institutes of National Importance. So that one also he already given he told that he will examine and assured me it will be considered.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.